Welcome back to Car Fix School. Today we're tackling the Hill Start Assist warning light. Ever see that light and wonder what it means? It's a system that keeps your car from rolling backward on hills. But if the light stays on, it means the system's shut down. Something's wrong. Don't ignore it, it's often a sign of a bigger issue. Today I'll break down the top 5 reasons this light comes on, from easy fixes to more complex problems. Don't worry, most solutions are simpler than you think. Grab your coffee, and let's figure out what your car is trying to tell you. First, check your brake fluid. Pop the hood and find the brake fluid reservoir. Look for the MIN and max lines. If it's low, that's likely your problem. The Hill Start Assist system needs brake fluid to work. Low fluid means the ABS pump can't hold pressure, so the system shuts down and triggers the warning light. Don't just top it off and forget it. Brake fluid doesn't evaporate. If it's low, you probably have a leak. Top off with the correct fluid, then inspect brake lines and around each wheel for leaks. A leak is a major safety issue. Fix it, don't ignore it. Once repaired and the brakes are bled, your system should work and the light will go off. Remember, topping off is just a temporary fix. Always address the root cause, a leak or worn component. Keeping your brake system healthy keeps you safe and your dashboard clear. Don't risk it. Check your fluid and fix leaks right away. Simple, but crucial. Next up, the brake light switch. This small switch above your brake pedal tells the computer when you're braking. If it fails, the car doesn't know you're pressing the brake, so Hill Start Assist won't work. The system disables itself and lights up your dash. Test it. Have someone check if your brake lights come on when you press the pedal. Sometimes, the switch fails intermittently. Your lights might work, but the signal to the computer doesn't. These switches are cheap and easy to replace, usually a 5-minute job. Don't jump to expensive repairs before checking this part. It's a common failure point and an easy fix. Replace it if needed, and you'll likely solve the problem. A few bucks and minutes can clear that warning light. Always check the simple stuff first. Don't let a tiny switch cause a big headache. Let's talk batteries. Modern cars rely on steady voltage for all their systems. A weak battery means low voltage, and the computer starts shutting down non-essential features, like Hill Start Assist. If your battery drops below 12.4 volts, it's on its way out. You might notice other issues, dim lights, slow starts, or lost radio presets. Check your battery with a multimeter. Car off, it should read 12.6 volts, running 14 plus volts. If not, your battery or alternator could be the culprit. Most auto parts stores will test them for free. A new battery can solve a lot of weird electrical problems. Don't ignore early warning signs. Replace weak batteries before they leave you stranded. Hill Start Assist is often the first system to complain. Keep your electrical system healthy for a smooth ride. Simple checks can save you from bigger headaches. Now, let's get technical. Wheel speed sensors. Each wheel has a sensor that tells the computer how fast it's spinning. If one fails, the system can't tell if you're rolling on a hill, so it disables Hill Start Assist. You'll often see ABS and traction control lights come on too. Dirty, damaged, or disconnected sensors are common culprits. Diagnosing this needs an OBD2 scanner that reads ABS codes. The scanner will pinpoint which sensor is bad. No guesswork needed. Replacing a sensor is usually simple. Unplug the old, bolt in the new. If you see multiple warning lights, check those sensors first. Don't ignore them. Fixing a sensor restores all those safety features. Keep your sensors clean and connections tight. A quick fix for a safer drive. Sometimes, the problem is bigger. Your ABS or traction control system. Hill Start Assist relies on these systems. If they fail, so does Hill Hold. All these features share the same hardware and computer. A fault in the ABS pump, control unit, or module can trigger the Hill Start Assist light. You'll usually see ABS and traction control lights too. Diagnosing these issues needs an advanced OBD2 scanner. The codes will tell you if it's a pump, module, or wiring problem. These repairs can be expensive, but knowing the exact issue helps. Don't guess. Scan for codes and get a clear diagnosis. Sometimes it's a big fix, but sometimes it's just a sensor or wiring. Don't panic. Find the root cause before spending big. Knowledge is your best tool. There you have it. The top 5 reasons for that Hill Start Assist warning. Start with simple checks. Brake fluid, battery, brake light switch. Move on to sensors and, if needed, scan for bigger system faults. Don't ignore warning lights. They're your car's way of keeping you safe. A little DIY can save you money and stress. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more car fixes. Stay safe, and see you next time.